Samsung's Gear Sport smartwatch runs Tizen OS. It has a super sharp 1.2 360x360 AMOLED display, 4GB of internal storage and built-in NFC so you can buy things using Samsung Pay. It has GPS for tracking your workouts and an optical heart rate sensor for keeping tabs on your heart rate throughout the day and during exercise. It's also Samsung's first proper smartwatch that's rated as fully waterproof, to a depth of 50 m, so you can use it to track swims. At 300 pounds, the Gear Sport costs £50 less than the Gear S3, but it's also £100 more expensive than its full-featured fitness tracker sibling, the Gear Fit 2 Pro. Garmin's Vivo Active 3 is another sporty smartwatch costing £300 and you can pick up Fitbit's Ionic, which is rather lacking in features, at the same price point. Meanwhile, iPhone owners would do well to consider the Apple Watch Series 3 instead. The Wi-Fi only version is only £30 more expensive than the Gear Sport and is, in our opinion, the very best smartwatch on the market. The Samsung Gear Sport is an attractive albeit slightly generic looking smartwatch. When unboxing the black version, it's also available in bright blue. My first impression was that it was rather smart, a timepiece I'd feel equally comfortable wearing to the gym and to work. However, its smooth stainless steel casing does lack the character you can find on the more rugged Gear S3 Frontier. Thankfully, all thoughts of the watch's slightly plain design were banished as soon as I turned it on. Like the Gear S3, the Gear Sports has a stunning 360x360 AMOLED screen and its slightly smaller 1.2 in diameter gives it a higher pixel density as well.